All right, today is Monday. This is Miss DeBoard. If you are in Miss Emily's class, I'm going to be doing some of the lessons, and then we'll take turns. Miss Emily, I'll have it 1 week, Miss DeBoard the next week. So let's start with our rhyme recognition. Remember, I say the two words. You give me a thumbs up if they rhyme, thumbs down if they don't rhyme. I'll give you a minute in between before I tell you the answer. Okay. Seat, wheat. You repeat. I hope you gave me a thumbs up. Seat, wheat, rhyme. Rose, hose. Rose, hose, rhyme. Sip, time. No, sip and time don't rhyme. Take, make. Yep, tape and make rhyme. Off, love. Off and love don't rhyme. Okay, we're going to start with onset fluency. Onset is the beginning of the word. So I'm going to say the two words and what sound they both begin with, and then you repeat the two words and what sound they begin with. So you're copying me. Cape, kettle, cuh. Up, us, up. Put, Polly, puh. We, wide, wah. Have, here, huh. Good job. Okay, we're going to blend our phonemes next. O, I, lie. Your turn. Z, oo, zoo. L, o, low. Y, oo, you. D, a, day. Okay, now we're going to punch out our final sound, okay? You repeat after me. Cup. Put. On. All. Have. Good job. Okay, we're segmenting. That means get out your choppers. I'm going to say it first and chop it. And then I'll go like this, and that means you say the whole word and then chop it. Okay? Go, g-o. He, he. So, s-o. We, he. By, I. Okay, great job. Now we are going to be adding phonemes. We are starting with I. Add to the beginning to make my. Your turn. Okay, we're starting with O. So you say O. Add t to the beginning to make toe. Good. We're starting with oo. Add d to the beginning to make do. Good. Starting with E. Add to the beginning to make me. Starting with A. Add s to the beginning to make say. Okay, good job. Now we're going to delete part of our word. We're deleting a phoneme. We're starting with the word so. Without s, what's left? O. We have the word to. Without t, what's left? Oo. We have the word lay. Without ul, what's left? A. We have the word he. Without h, what's left? E. We have the word pie. Without p, what's left? I. Oh, almost done. Good job. Okay, now we're going to substitute. We have our word. I'm going to take away part of the word, the beginning part, and change it, and then put it together again, okay? So we have the word cat. Change k to h. What's the word? H, at, hat. We have the word hat. Change h to b, and what's the word? Bat. We have the word bat. Change b to what's the word? Rat. We have the word rat. Change to s. What's the word? Sat. We have the word sat. Change s to What's the word? Mat. Good job. And we have a new nursery rhyme this week. So today we're just learning one line. I'll say it and you repeat after me. Polly put the kettle on. Okay, we'll learn more of that tomorrow. This might be a new one for Miss DeBoard even, so I'm excited to learn it. I'll see you tomorrow.